What is a spread? A spread is how crypto trading platforms like ours make money. When you buy crypto, the price you pay is slightly higher than the market price. When you sell, the price you get is slightly lower. The difference between these prices is the spread. Whenever you trade, at the bottom of the buy button, you'll see the spread percentage. For example, BTC in a CAD trading pair offers a 0.95% spread. You can lower this trading cost or spread by increasing your VIP tier. If you go to the main menu, you'll see the VIP tier on the top left. There are 9 tiers, VIP 1 to 6, and then the 3 highest tiers are Wolves, Titans, and Whales. However, if you trade a certain amount of money in the span of 30 days as shown, you go into a higher tier and your spread goes lower. You get to save more money whenever you trade. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on trading to move up, you can purchase a Virgo Plus subscription, which can boost you up to Tier 5.